Say it.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make slime and I'm going to make my blue slime.
Yeah, he's making a blue slime. Okay, so first, I've made tons of slime before, and he has never done it with me, and I never did videos of it. So, anyway, let's,
Get started.
you know it. Alright, this, I'm trying to, you know what, I'm just gonna hold it like this. Egypt, open it. Egypt, you're gonna just, no, open the whole thing.
Open that?
Yeah.
Open that mine?
No, not that one. Leave it. Okay.